Okay, so here you can see my fantastic drawing, right? We have the sun, we have the climber here, that is on the mountain, you can see that here. We have the sky, the sunrise, we have the river here and some trees, and you can see I gave some instructions. So what we're gonna do now is gonna take this image, head over to ChatGPT and upload this. And here you can see my image uploaded. I did create an ultra photorealistic image from my drawing, follow all instructions from the image, then remove all the text, that is just instructions. So that is of course been the climber, the sky, the trees and the river, 9:16 format. And this is what we got back, right? That's pretty cool. So if I zoom it a bit out, you can see we have the climber, we have the sun, the river, the trees, and perfect. So what we are gonna do now is we're gonna use this image and turn this into a video. And to do that, we're gonna use a custom Python script I created that does this everything autonomously using Kling AI. You can see we have the Kling v1.6 standard model here, and here is our image. So I'm just gonna show you the results now because we generated, as you can see under video here, 5 different videos. So let's just watch the full video. We also added some music. There's more stuff we can do with this that we will look at afterwards. So let's play this now. So yeah, that's pretty cool, right? So you can see the prompt I gave this in my code here. You can see this was drone shot, scene evolves forward, action moving cinematic. And that is kind of the prompt we used for this setup. And the way I actually generate this video to be coherent just from one image is I created like a custom script here that extract. You can see the first frame was this, right? But if we look at the video, the last frame of the first video was, let me find this. So if we go here, it's about this. So we actually use this first frame here as the next input for the video. So we get like a coherent 50-second video. And that is pretty cool, right? So this is kind of my workflow that I've been playing around with video, going from a drawing, right, all the way to like a full video. And there's more stuff we can do here. We can add like captions, we can add voiceovers. So we're gonna play around with this in this video. So I'm gonna make a couple of more and let's see where we can take this. So this was my next drawing. You can see we have a car here, we have a ramp, we have a blue sky, sun, and we have a road down here. And I said, create an ultra photorealistic cinematic action movie image from my drawing. Don't include the instructions, 16:9 format. And this is what we got. I wouldn't say it's perfect, but I really like it. You can see we are driving off some kind of ramp or basically just some dirt here onto the road. So we're gonna download this image and we're gonna upload this to my script. Okay, so we have the image here, action 1, and let's adjust some parameters on our code here. So let's do action 1, right? That is good. And let's change up the prompt a bit. So let's do a fast-paced action movie, scene evolves forward, action moving cinematic. We also have to update our prompt, right? Like this, okay. And we need to change the aspect ratio to 16:9, perfect. Blurry, negative, and let's keep it like this, 10 seconds. And I wanna change the music too. So we can keep the trailer music, but let's add something here. Let's add action or something, right? Action, okay, great. And I think that's it. So let's bring this up, and now we can clear this, and we can run it again. Okay, so when I come back now, we're gonna watch the video, listen to the music, and see how everything got put together. Okay, so you can see the pipeline is done. We have the final output MP4, and I took a quick peek. This is gonna be pretty cool, right? So let me just fetch up the video here and let's watch it. Okay, so you can see we have the 16:9 format, and let's play this now. I'm just gonna put on the sound here. Okay, that was awesome, right? I guess the ending was a bit boring, nothing really happened, but I really enjoyed kind of the start here. What the hell is this car doing here? It's, let me pause this. It's flying out of the air, and when it lands, we start right into this car chase here, right? Suddenly, we just start moving forward, so I thought that was pretty cool. Yeah, I'm having a lot of fun with this, if you can't tell. Okay, so the final drawing we're gonna do is this one. So we have the moon here, right? We have kind of the dark. We have one girl playing a guitar. We have a campfire in the middle. And we have the second girl listening. So we sent this, create photorealistic image of my drawing, follow instructions, right? Like we did before, 16:9 format. And we got this. Again, it's not perfect, but it's pretty good, right? We have a girl holding the guitar. We have the campfire. We have the moon in the background. We have this girl. And we want to save this. Let's try to run this through our video script. Okay, so we have the image here, right? Perfect. I want to do some changes, so we can go to, let's go to the video generation, and we can do, let's say, music video, right? I think that's pretty good. We can keep cinematic. I think that's fine. We want to keep 16:9, okay? And I want to change up the music too, so let's go here and let's do country, music, female, vocals, acoustic, yeah, that's fine. I want to do some more changes to kind of the prompt here. If we go up to our function, you can see we can change here, so we can call this country music, right? That's fine. And I want to change the instrumental to false, right? So we can get some lyrics. I haven't tried that before, so that's going to be interesting. And what about, I think that's it, basically. Okay, so we have to update this prompt, right? And we have to change this to music. One, did we call it that? Just music, save. And that should be it. So let's run this now and try to create this music video, okay? So I'm gonna take you back when this is finished, and let's watch our final drawing to video, yeah, experiment here. Okay, so this was done, so yeah, just let's play this. So this was 30 seconds, I kind of changed that up. I didn't think we needed full 50 here. So listen to this, let's listen to this country music video we generated with a female vocalist here.
Oh, my cowboy in the sunset ride, got his heart, got his head by my side, with the stars as our guide tonight. Oh, my cowboy, we're a beautiful sight. Oh, down the dusty road.
Okay, yeah, that was pretty good, right? Remember, this was a one-shot, so I didn't really adjust the music or anything, even though I have wrote a script here that can actually just take the videos we have generated and switch up the music if you wanted to do that. So we can have some iteration if we want to do that. But yeah, that is basically what I've been playing around this weekend. I built this script here to actually take these drawings we can do from the ChatGPT GPT4o image model and turn it into videos. So if you are interested in this script, you can get access to this by just becoming a member of the channel, and you will get an invite to the community GitHub where I host this script. We also have some members videos with tutorials on this. So I'm going to upload this new version where we have concurrent video from images today. So if you want to get access, just follow the link in the description. But yeah, thank you for tuning in. Hope this gives you some inspiration what you can do with these new tools. And I'll see you again very soon.